Okay.
Funny as hell.
Erase everything from MySpace and just put this video.
Yeah, we are.
Well, I am. Of me.
Okay, so when it says record, it's recording or?
Yes. You're recording already.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yes, you're recording already.
Okay. Alright, you ready?
Okay. So we went to BK and we found this thing that says dog show. So if Snoopy can act like a human, can you act like a dog?
Yeah.
So Serena's gonna demonstrate for us.
Wait, where's the leash? The bite.
You're gonna get them. It's gonna get dizzy. Okay then. Ginny,
Use a scarf.
Ginny and Serena will demonstrate. So what's the first one? The first one.
Hold on, let them get ready.
Oh my God, that's a leash. I thought the leash was on the neck. Okay, whatever.
No, put it on the neck. Put it on the neck.
It says what? You're supposed to pat. Stick out your tongue and pat.
I don't have candy.
Good doggy. We don't have treats.
Give her like a piece of a sock.
So roll over. Lie on the ground and roll over.
That's not rolling over. You have to lay down completely.
Oh my God, you're gonna hit yourself.
Okay.
The three is to fetch. You throw a ball, get down and no force and retrieve it. Throw something for her to catch. Catch the Mario.
Shake it!
Now you have to.
Oink, oink, oink.
And you snorted.
No. No. The fourth one is sit up and beg.
Let's look in your mouth. Oh wait, what?
Sit up and beg.
Sit up and
You
beg.
can't zoom in with the video. What do I say?
Fuck.
Sit up and beg, please.
Please, please, please. Oink, oink, oink.
No, you.
Oink, oink, oink.
That's not even a dog. It's like a pig and a dinosaur. Bye. It's foggy. No more. Oh, that was the last one?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. The